Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 170th Street. Today I have a 2024 Lexus LX600 in eminent white pearl. This is the luxury package. Under the hood you have a 3.4-liter V6 twin turbo engine producing 409 horsepower. This vehicle has a 7,986-pound towing capacity, triple beam LED headlamps, 22-inch aluminum alloy wheels, easy access to your driver's seat and keyless entry into the vehicle. Door panel you have your memory seats, power windows, side mirrors and door lock. Beside your steering wheel you have your auto start stop button as well as your trunk button, a small compartment. You have Palomino leather interior throughout with 14-way power passenger seat and driver's seat. You have a leather wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters as well as your hands-free control and your cruise controls. You have your multi-information display as well as a heads-up display. You have two infotainment centers that has your radio, media, navigation as well as all of your different drive modes. You also have Lexus interface where you can say "Hey Lexus" and request any command. You have your different drive modes as well as your four-wheel drive system. You have heated and ventilated seat options for both driver and passenger and a heated steering wheel button. You have a wireless charging pad, and beside you have your active height control. Above you have your sunroof controls as well as a sunglasses holder. You have a digital display rear view mirror. Your center console doubles as a cool box with a removable tray. You can open it from either passenger side, driver side, or from the second row. In your rear seat middle console, you have cup holders. In front of that, you have your rear seat climate controls. You have heated and ventilated seat options for your rear seats. Down below, you have USB-C charging ports. You can access the cool box from your second row. You have dual rear seat entertainment systems. Your rear seats are power folding and gives you easy access to your third row. Your third row has power folding options on either side, as well as power reclining and USB-C charging port. In your trunk, you have those same power folding options for your second and third row. Underneath, you have some cargo space. Underneath the vehicle is where the spare tire is located. Your trunk is power closing from a push of a button. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton where we will find the vehicle best suited for you.